Alright, so I'm going to show you how to modify the annoying function in the Land Cruiser window switch, in that if you've got it stock, the window will auto open but not auto close. It's quite an easy mod to do. Take this switch unit out of the arm. You can then, with a minor mechanical mod to the switch, with a minor electrical mod to the PCB where you add a diode, you can add the functionality of an auto up to your switch on the window, which would be cool. If you look at side on, I don't know if you can see this, but that's the driver's side switch, and you can see clearly that the passenger side goes slightly higher, and that's because on the back here you have these tabs. First we need to actually trim off these tabs here so that the switch can go higher, and then I released this earlier, but we have to add a diode to this PCB. I was lucky, I had the diode in stock, but you can use like any of the 1N4004 series or 1N4007s. They're just a small diode. You can get them from JCar, RS, probably eBay, Maplin in the UK, even still exist. So the diode has, you can use any diode. The diode I happen to have in my shop was a 1N4004. You can use a 1N4007 or anything like that. Diodes have a line at one end, that's the cathode and the negative, and the other line, the other end has no line, and that's the anode. Anyway, it probably doesn't matter for you, but you do need to get it the right way around on this circuit board. So we actually have to get it with the line pointing up to this connection here, and the anode to this connection here. So I have to get the soldering iron in a minute. So essentially, this way around. See that? I need to get some heat shrink now, just so that I can try and do this as neat as possible. I'm not a fan of adding chunks to circuit boards. There's loads of space. On your Land Cruiser this might be a translucent cover, but the circuit board itself should look the same. Okay, so the diode's now in place. Just need to cut the tabs off the back of the switch now. Apparently you can do this with a shock knife. Okay, I just used a pair of flush cut side cutters. Okay, so now we'll just put this back together and then go test it on the car. Okay, I'm going to take this cover with me because if it works, I'm just going to leave it on. So I'll take the camera with me and we'll see. Okay, so we're testing down and up. It works.